Welcome to the Crowne Plaza Hotel in San Pedro, California. Your perfect stay for a pre-cruise. Come on in. You have a beautiful lobby. And Kevin, who was the guest services person, was wonderful and very helpful. We give him a 2 thumbs up. They have a restaurant over this way. And if you're cruising, you can schedule the shuttle. It runs every 30 minutes. At a small fee, I think it's $15. And we get a free breakfast here. They have a restaurant right here. So you don't even have to leave the hotel if you don't want to. It's fabulous.
Walking into the room, you can see it's a little bit dated, but it was very adequate. There's a dresser with a flat screen TV, a desk area which was good for editing and checking emails at night, plenty of storage space in the dresser, a king-size bed with nightstands on both sides. Now the bed was a little bit firm. It didn't work really well for Trisha's hips. So keep that in mind if you need a softer bed. There is a seating area around the wall, nice and spacious, little coffee table, and the bathroom was adequate and clean. There were towels, a nice vanity with a granite top, nice lighted mirror updated, and a tiled tub shower combo, which worked real well. They had soaps and shampoos for you, ready to use. It was a pretty nice hotel. It was just what you needed before your cruise in San Pedro. And every room has a microwave so you can heat up your leftovers, and a coffee station with a Keurig. But just wait what you see next. This is a harbor view king-size bed room. And you have a view of the harbor. And then, if you're lucky enough to see it, here she comes. The Quantum of the Seas.
Thank you for joining us on this room tour. Now let's get ready to board Quantum of the Seas and start the next part of our adventure.